Dumpster rental service in Bowling Green Metropolitan Area. Looking for a dependable dumpster rental service in the Bowling Green Metropolitan Area? Silver Creek Rentals offers reliable and affordable dumpster rentals tailored to residential and commercial needs. Whether cleaning out your garage, renovating a home, or handling construction debris, we have the right dumpster size for you. We know that managing waste efficiently is crucial. We focus on punctual deliveries, flexible scheduling, and prompt pickups. Our dumpsters are clean, easy to load, and suited for any size project. We make the rental process simple and stress-free from start to finish. We believe in providing transparent pricing, no hidden fees or surprise charges. We'll help you choose the perfect dumpster for your job and guide you through the process. With our local expertise, we know the ins and outs of working in the Bowling Green Metropolitan Area. Our team is friendly, knowledgeable, and ready to assist you every step of the way. We're committed to customer satisfaction and take pride in keeping your property clean and organized throughout the process. Let's work together to make waste management easy and affordable. Choose Silver Creek Rentals for your next project. Call us today at 270-221-8600 and experience the Silver Creek difference.